Good day, my dear clients. We at the Southern Leyte State University are extending the hands to reach you and to lift you from the dark shadow of this COVID-19 pandemic. Each one of us experienced that great changes to our normal life. But on the other side, this will give us a new page, a new step of life towards the new normal, which is different from the past practices. Leaving our comfort to find another shelves is quite difficult, but the time has changed and the world has changed. So we need to accept the reality that nothing is constant in this world, but change. Yours truly and my colleagues in the department are willing to serve you at all times. Choosing SLSU and choosing our department as part of your dream is the right choice. This is because our university ensures that you will be provided with quality education with advanced knowledge suitable to the new trends in industries and companies. In behalf of the Indotech Department, I welcome you all to Southern Leyte State University San Juan, and God bless us all.
Good day, everyone. On behalf of the SIT Department, my warmest welcome to another chapter, the academic year 2020-2021. We know that we are facing the biggest challenge today. My dear students, parents, and all stakeholders of Southern Leyte State University San Juan, the SLSU family, particularly the BSIT department, extend and double their effort to provide quality education and health safety to all our clientele. This pandemic cannot stop our dreams and ambition. Remember, my dear students, according to Jack Ma, never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Thus, what you are waiting for? Set your priorities and make your dreams come true. Thank you and God bless SLSU San Juan.
In spite of this pandemic that we are facing right now, we, the SLSU family, especially the BT-led faculty, are on utmost preparation to continue on delivering the quality education with the compliance of the health protocols to ensure your safety. With this, I would like to welcome you all, our dear students, to this school year 2020-2021.
On behalf of the BSA Department of SLSU San Juan Campus, I welcome all of you, dear students, to the Teacher Education Program. Our department is so happy to have you and be with us in the upcoming opening of classes, flexibly adapted for the new normal settings. Welcome everyone to the wonderful world of teacher education.
On behalf of the Department of Business, Management, and Accountancy, we are counting on you to make this your memorable year, though we are in this time of pandemic. Welcome to the academic year 2020-2021. To our continuing and returning students, we are delighted to have you back as you continue your journey to your college education. And to our new students, who are just joining our SLSU San Juan family, we hope you are motivated to make the most of your stay here and persevere during this time of crisis. We are here to support you every step of the way through our flexible learning management system. I know we can get through these tough times by being in each other's back. God bless, stay safe everyone. Welcome, and still enjoy your college education. We can do this, and we can heal as one.
Hello guys! Welcome to SLSU San Juan. This school year may be that difficult for all of us, especially to you dear students. However, we are not giving up. We will continue to extend our services for your welfare and for you to realize your dreams in life. If ever you have queries and concern, please don't hesitate to ask us. You can text us, chat us, or even call us. The Office of Students and Auxiliary Services, OSAS, is always ready to support and help you. Despite of the challenges brought about by COVID-19, still we are here, willing to journey with you in your academic endeavor. We will cross the bridge together. Mabuhay ang SLSU!
Good day. I am Danilo Escobedo, the current Assistant Director for Admin and Finance, and also designated as the Finance Management Officer, and at the same time, a faculty member of the Department of Business Management and Accountancy. Now, I will take this opportunity to welcome both the old and new students of SLSU San Juan campus for this academic year 2020-2021. How I wish that we could bring back the old mode of delivery of instruction. However, we know for the fact that we cannot compromise the safety of our students and our faculty. I know that shifting from face-to-face discussion to distance learning would not be easy for both the students and faculty. However, the university is constantly upgrading its facilities to ensure quality education despite the absence of face-to-face discussion. Aside from upgrading the school facilities, we also prepare our classrooms for possible face-to-face discussions, but in a limited number of students. Hand washing facilities are installed in different areas. Hand sanitizers, both baths are also provided to ensure the safety of everybody. Our dear students, I assure you that the Admin and Finance Department is maximizing its limited resources in order to serve you the best we could. Thank you for choosing SLSU. Keep safe and may God bless us all.
Wherever you are in the Philippines, welcome to Southern Ladies State University San Juan, the only campus with the most number of CHED-compliant programs in education, technology and livelihood education, information technology, office administration, entrepreneurship, accountancy, and management accounting. We also have programs with Level 3 accreditation by DIAACOP, consisting of industrial technology, office administration, entrepreneurship, information technology. Your journey to quality and tuition-free education amidst this pandemic start here. We implement a flexible learning management system to support your educational pursuit. I am Sereno Adriatico, the Assistant Director for Academics, Research and Innovation, and also serving as the Dean of the College of Business and Management.
With so much pride and respect, I, Dr. Gary Garcia, Campus Administrator of Southern Leyte State University San Juan, amidst of the crisis that we are facing now, together with our faculty and staff, welcome you all to the academic year 2020-2021.
The guidance and the training feels the missing piece. SLSU brings you to greater heights, equips you with learning so that all will be clear inside. I can feel this spirit that is